I want to make sure my family is eating healthy. Who doesn't? So we switched to the Mediterranean diet, and we try to cook at home as much as possible. I've heard about the benefits of fish oil, but I've also read that you shouldn't eat fish too often. With so much information out there, it's good to know the facts.
Including cold water fish in your diet is great because they contain the omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which are often lacking in the Western diet. But it's recommended that you only eat fish once or twice a week due to possible contaminants.
I did some research and found out that fish oils balance the body's inflammatory response, support brain function, and are great for your cardiovascular system. So what's the best way to get these benefits?
Supplementing with omega-3 EPA DHA, which has sesame lignans and olive oil extract, allows you to get all of the extra health benefits in one complete formula. Sustainably harvested from Alaskan waters and processed within hours, a proprietary technology purifies the fish oil to reduce environmental pollutants. The result is a fish oil so pure, it actually exceeds international standards.
I've also discovered that adding olive fruit extracts was inspired by the health benefits of the Mediterranean diet, and that sesame lignans further enhance omega-3s. Life Extension even added a hint of natural lemon flavor to get rid of that fishy taste. By adding Super Omega-3 to our routine, I know my husband and I are getting the essential fatty acids we need. And he stopped complaining about the smell of my cooking.